So, quick recap. We asked one simple question: can AI actually make money? And we said, it's not magic.
Yeah, definitely not magic. And I'll be honest, I expected this to fail. Most of these AI money ideas online, they sound fake.
Exactly. Which is why we picked something super simple. No coding, no fancy tools, nothing complicated. Just ChatGPT and a basic idea.
So what did we actually do?
We asked AI to generate content ideas, and honestly, it was fast. Too fast.
Yeah, almost suspiciously fast. And that's where people get excited and stop.
Exactly. That's the trap. Because generating something is not the same as making money.
Not even close. So we pushed further.
We took one idea and tried to make it better.
And this part was not easy. Not at all.
We had to edit it, rewrite parts of it, improve it.
Add our own thinking, and that's when it started to feel real.
That part surprised me.
Same here. I didn't expect that.
So here's the truth. AI saves time, but it doesn't replace effort.
If you expect it to do everything, you're going to fail.
But if you use it properly, it actually becomes powerful.
That's the difference. Most people think AI equals automatic income.
But it's actually AI plus effort equals potential income.
Big difference.
Huge difference.
So, final verdict?
It works, but it's not easy money, not passive, not instant.
But definitely possible if you actually put in the work.
And that's what this series is about. Testing things honestly.
So you don't waste time chasing hype.
And in the next episode, we go deeper, step by step.
No shortcuts, no fake promises.
Just real results.
So if you're curious where this goes, stay with us.
And tell us what we should test next. Drop it in the comments.
And if this helped,
like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.